Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check if your TV supports Miracast, AirPlay, Chromecast, or has an HDMI port. You must connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. If no router, enable Wi-Fi Direct on the TV. Once done, open your device's casting or screen mirroring menu and select your TV. Make sure to grant any permission prompts so the devices can pair. This initial pairing step establishes the secure link required for real-time display and audio streaming. After you select the TV from your devices list, watch for a pairing code on the screen and confirm it on your phone or tablet to complete authentication. If the image looks off, adjust resolution and orientation in the casting app or device display settings and set the TV as the audio output device. For smoother video or gaming, consider using HDMI and an adapter. Wired connections reduce latency and bypass network issues. Make sure apps are allowed to use local network access, then start the content you want to mirror. To finish, stop casting from your device or toggle screen mirroring off on the TV. This cleanly ends the session and frees network resources. If the connection drops or won't pair, restart the TV, router, and source device. This often resolves IP or handshake faults, then try reconnecting. Make sure firmware and OS updates are installed to avoid compatibility bugs. If you see lag or stutter, switch to an HDMI cable or reduce the stream resolution to improve responsiveness. This targets the most.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.